Okay.
There was a boy, a very strange enchanted boy. They say he wandered very far over land and sea. He little shy and sad about, but very wise was he.
And then one day, a magic day, he came my way. And as we spoke of many things, fools and kings, this he said to me: the greatest thing you will ever learn is just to love and be loved in return. There was a boy, a very strange and enchanted boy. He said he wandered very far over land and sea. A little shy and sad about, but very wise was he.
And then one day, a magic day, he came my way. And as we spoke of many things, fools and kings, this he said to me: the greatest thing you will ever learn is just to